Okay, everyone, this one is for Shep 40. It is a Mosin sniper rifle. Unfortunately, it's also a fake. It's a 1936. If this were a real 1936 sniper rifle, it would be a top-mounted PEM scope. Instead, it's a side-mounted PU from 1942. How that works, I don't know, but I'm just going to say Century Arms. That's why you get the cheap. This one is from Southern Ohio Guns, so big shout out to them for having awesome prices. This one was roughly $400. That's a really good deal on a sniper rifle. And the one that we got didn't require any shimming or grinding or anything of the scope. It zeroed up real nice. But the first time when we made the first fail video, the problem was all the screws were coming loose, and so you'd fire 2 shots and it would lose 0, and then you'd miss everything else, and then you go and tighten everything up, and it would fail the first 2 shots, and then mess up again. This time we had Loctite. Loctite is the solution to everything. So that's pretty much about it. Real sniper rifles go from 600 to 800, and there's only 2 ways to get one. You can go to guns.com and get one for $100. Or you can go to Samco Global and get a bent bolt, which is a real sniper without the scope, and then add a repro scope to it. Either way, you'd have a real one. So I guess we should just go right into firing. This time without dropping rounds. Last one to fire.